The region between the poles on either side of the equator is called the temperate region. In this region of the world where we live, most places experience all 4 seasons of the year. Remember during the time of year when the northern hemisphere is tilted toward the sun, this part of our world receives more daylight and more intense sunlight. This means it is summertime in the northern hemisphere. At the same time, the southern hemisphere is tilted away from the sun, so it is winter there. That's why as Earth revolves around the sun and it's tilted on its axis, the seasons change. Now let's discover more information about each specific season. As each year passes in the temperate region of the world, changes occur in the weather. These weather cycles have been divided up into what we call the seasons. Each season brings with it incredible changes in the world around us. In spring, daylight hours increase and the sunlight becomes much stronger. With warmer weather, more rain begins to fall. With increased light, warmth, and rain, plants begin to grow again. Seeds resting in the soil begin to take root. The warmth from the sun and the rainfall enables plant seeds to germinate or begin to grow into plants. You have probably heard the saying, April showers bring May flowers. New plants emerge, and plants that have been inactive for the winter become active and start growing again. As buds and leaves form, water absorbed or taken in by the plant travels up the stems to the leaves. Plants use water and sunlight to make their own food as well as oxygen for us to breathe. This process is called photosynthesis. It is during springtime that this great burst of life and energy occurs. Springtime also sees the return of animals that have migrated or moved to warmer places during the wintertime. It is also the time when some animals wake up from their winter hibernation. Spring is when many animals give birth to their young. Animals give birth either by bearing live young or by laying eggs. Animals that give birth to live young have nourished their young inside their bodies. Animals hatched from eggs have been nourished by a yolk within the egg.